Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use columns function in your Google Sheets. As you can see on my screen, I have columns and with the respective term, countries and product names. And then let's say you want to count how many columns are here. So I'm going to write columns function and I'm going to select all the columns. And so as you can see, there are 5 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, you can use this columns function with the other function. So this is a very basic usage of this columns function. Let's say I want to get average of this jeans product. So let's see how much I should get the average. So first count, like with the manual count, and then we will validate with the formula. So I'm getting okay, let's sum this from here, sorry, equals to sum, and then I'm going to select the range. So this is the range. So how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to divide this 850 by 2 equals to 850 and divide by, I'm sorry, it should be 3 because we have 3 columns. So it should be like 283.33. So let's see if we get the same value with the formula. Now I'm going to use column and sum function together. I'm going to select sum, and then I'm going to select the range to sum and close the parenthesis divided by. So now I'm going to select the columns. So 3 columns I'm going to select because I'm going to using the column function. So column, and then I'm going to select how many. I'm going to select 3 column. Now it will give you the 3 and the average will be 283. So this is how you can use columns function along with the other function. So I have other examples also here. So I have students and their marks here. So I want the average of these marks. So I'm going to do it. So the manual way obviously takes a lot of time. So I'm going to use sum and columns function. Sum, I'm going to select the range, close the parenthesis, and again column function, and then I'm going to select how many columns and then close the parenthesis. Now these are the averages of the students. I'm going to drag the formula here. So this is how you can get easily, you don't have to count every time how many columns are there. By using columns function, it will make your life easier. Now I have another set of example, which is third table, where let's see if I'm using another function which is VLOOKUP to get the details. So let's assume I want to get these student scores average. I'm going to select the search reference, and then I'm going to select the range, which is entire range. Okay, now if I want average to be, uh, to get here in this section, I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to add 7 comma 0 and hit enter. So it will give me the details. But what if you don't want to count because the data is huge and you want to ignore the counting? Also you can use VLOOKUP and column function together. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP and then the search bar here, and I'm going to select the entire range. Okay, comma. Now here, instead of counting all the columns, I'm going to select columns function, columns, and then I'm going to select how many columns are there. So I'm going to select the columns. So obviously I have 7 columns, so it will give me 7 and then comma 0. So it will be calling out the average of the 7th column. Now you can see this is how I I got the average with using VLOOKUP and column function easier. Here I counted the columns, but here I did not count. I actually applied simple columns formula. So this is how also you can use in your real life, so that you can make your process easier. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.